Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by making sure your iPhone and AirPods are ready, paired, charged, and on the same Apple ID. Open the Translate app or a compatible app, then pick the source and target languages so the engine knows what to listen for. Once done, enable Live Translate or Conversation mode and grant microphone permission. This lets your AirPods capture speech. Put the AirPods in both ears. You're already streaming audio to the device. Now speak a short test phrase to confirm the pipeline is active and audible. Now you'll fine-tune the translation. Adjust microphone sensitivity in the app, select the correct input language, and reduce background noise to improve accuracy. Once set, start the conversation, tap to pause or repeat phrases, and use on-screen transcript to confirm meaning. If the other person switches languages, change the target on your phone. Your AirPods will keep delivering translations. Make sure to tweak voice speed and gender so translations sound natural. This reduces misinterpretation and keeps the dialogue flowing smoothly. To finish, stop the conversation, save the transcript if you need a record, and close the app or disconnect your AirPods. If you encounter lag or no audio, repair the AirPods. Forget device in Bluetooth, then reconnect. Restart the app and, if needed, toggle Bluetooth off and on. If translations are wrong, double-check source and target languages, ensure a stable network, and confirm mic permissions. One key tip: rebooting the phone often clears persistent audio routing or permission glitches, restoring normal translation quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.